For the first time use of the OTOM, find the installation directory. Click on it and go to the application. Select the OTOM AFB execution file. Right-click on it and go to the properties. Select the compatibility and then select the change settings for all users. Make sure that this program run as administrator. Check this item and then click on OK. Then you can open the program. It takes a couple of seconds until the window regarding the license will appears. For the first time use, since your license is not yet registered, you could click on Cancel. And then from the main window, select the File, Account, to enter your organization name. But before that, select on Share to share your information regarding your PC details to send to OTOM Composite server. Click on it. And then click on Yes. So this information will be sent to OTOM Composite server. Click on OK. After sending your information, an operator from OTOM Composite check your data and will add your data to the license of your organization. Then you could go to File and select an account. Enter your organization name. Will match your license name. You can enter your organization name here. And then click on OK. The information from your PC will be checked with your organization, and if the license is there, the license and the software will be unlocked. So you will see now the software is unlocked, and you will see all of the functionality here.